In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about disabling battery saver mode on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System, and then going down on your Lenovo device, select Power, and then select where it says power mode, select that option, and then for both on battery and plugged in, click the drop down immediately next to it and select either balanced or best performance, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.